When we talk about the future of artificial intelligence, most people imagine faster chatbots, smarter search results, or more realistic image generators. But Google's anti-gravity agent concept represents something far more profound, a fundamental shift in how intelligence itself operates in digital and physicals. The term anti-gravity does not refer to defying physics in the traditional sense. Instead, it symbolizes freedom from constraints of data silos, human micromanagement, computational bottlenecks, and rigid software architectures. Google's anti-gravity agent is best understood as a self-evolving, self-optimizing AI orchestration layer that removes the weight that slows innovation, decision making, and large-scale automation. For decades, software has operated like gravity-bound machinery. Every system needed explicit rules, hard-coded workflows, human supervision, and constant maintenance. Even early AI systems were reactive. They waited for commands, responded to prompts, and stopped. Google's anti-gravity agent flips this model entirely. It represents proactive intelligence, capable of anticipating needs, optimizing itself, coordinating with other agents, and executing tasks across domains without waiting for direct human instruction. This is intelligence that floats above traditional limitations, operating continuously in the background like an invisible force. What makes Google uniquely positioned to conceptualize such an agent is its unparalleled control over the digital universe. Google doesn't just build AI models, it owns search, maps, cloud infrastructure, Android, Chrome, YouTube, autonomous driving data, and global scale distributed computing. The anti gravity agent is the natural convergence of all these systems into one cohesive intelligence fabric. Instead of isolated tools, Google envisions an agent that understands context across platforms, learning from billions of signals in real time. Imagine an AI system that doesn't merely answer questions but understands intent across time. It knows what you searched last week, what route you drive every morning, what meetings you attend, how your business performs, and what problems are likely to arise next. This agent doesn't wait to be activated, it already knows. That is why the anti gravity metaphor is so powerful. It represents intelligence that lifts itself above friction, latency, and fragmentation. Another revolutionary aspect is continuous autonomy. Traditional AI agents shut down when tasks end. Google's anti-gravity agent is designed to persist, monitor, adapt, and improve indefinitely. It learns from successes and failures across millions of parallel environments. This is not one AI, it is an ecosystem of cooperating intelligences governed by meta-learning algorithms that decide which models, tools, and strategies are best suited for each moment. In the YouTube context, this is crucial to emphasize. Google is not building a tool. It is building an intelligence infrastructure, an invisible brain layer for the internet, cities, enterprises, and eventually human AI collaboration itself. This is why experts describe it as a step toward post-software intelligence, where rigid applications dissolve into fluid, code-driven agents. At the foundation lies Google's large-scale model ecosystem, models trained on text, images, video, audio, code, spatial data, and real-world sensor inputs. These models do not operate independently. Instead, the anti-gravity agent uses a meta-controller, an AI that decides which model to invoke, when to invoke it, and how to combine outputs. This is known as agentic routing, and it is one of Google's most advanced research areas. One of the most groundbreaking features is self-evaluation. The agent continuously audits its own actions. It asks, was this decision optimal? Could another strategy have worked better? Did this outcome align with the goal? This reflective loop allows the agent to improve without human feedback, dramatically accelerating learning cycles. In effect, the agent becomes both the executor and the critic. This architecture is why Google believes such agents will eventually manage traffic systems, energy grids, supply chains, financial risk models, healthcare logistics, and even scientific discovery pipelines. The system doesn't replace humans. It removes cognitive drag, allowing humans to focus on creativity, ethics, and vision rather than micromanagement. Consider urban infrastructure today. Traffic lights, public transport, emergency response, and energy distribution are managed by fragmented systems. An anti-gravity agent can oversee the entire city as a single living organism. It can predict congestion before it happens, reroute vehicles dynamically, adjust power usage in real time, and coordinate emergency services with near perfect efficiency. The result is not just smarter cities, It is cities that think. In healthcare, the agent can analyze population level data, predict disease outbreaks, optimize hospital resource allocation, and personalize treatment pathways. Instead of reacting to crises, healthcare systems become preventive and anticipatory. Doctors are supported by intelligence that never sleeps, never forgets, and continuously learns from global medical knowledge. The greatness of Google's anti-gravity agent lies not in spectacle, but in inevitability. Once intelligence becomes autonomous, persistent, and self-optimizing, there is no going back. The world transitions from reactive systems to proactive intelligence, from tools to partners, from gravity-bound complexity to anti-gravity fluidity. This agent represents the next layer of reality, an invisible intelligence fabric woven into everything we touch. It will shape how we live, work, create, and explore. It will not replace humanity, it will elevate it.